Hello everyone, and welcome to one of the most beautiful places in the world, Hawaii. In this video, we are exploring Dragon's Teeth and Maui. If you are looking for a Maui adventure on the northwest side of the island, this is for you. This is a short and easy hike to explore a really cool volcanic formation. Dragon's Teeth is a unique lava rock formation at Makaluapuna Point near Kapalua, and it is known for its jagged tooth-like appearance. The teeth are a result of a lava flow from the West Maui volcano thousands of years ago that cooled and hardened after being exposed to strong ocean waves and winds. The solidified lava was in an upwards direction and hardened into sharp, jagged points that look like arrows or teeth. This is a popular area for tourists to explore, and the relatively short hike makes it a popular Maui attraction. There is a short trail leading from a parking lot that holds about 8 to 10 cars when full, and it is easily accessible to visitors. The terrain ranges from pavement to packed dirt to rough, rocky terrain, so sturdy shoes are recommended. Leave those sandals at home. Be mindful of the strong waves and sun, and keep a close eye on your children, and don't get too close to the edge. The sun is very hot and there isn't a lot of shade on the trail, so consider a hat, sunscreen, and appropriate clothing. The area surrounding Dragon's Teeth holds cultural significance as a sacred place for Native Hawaiians. Geologists have studied the formations to understand the connection between lava flows and the ocean waves, furthering our knowledge of volcanic activity. The Dragon's Teeth hike is 0.7 miles and an 85-foot elevation gain, and is a relatively easy out and back. This is a great trail for casual hikers and for families with children aged 5 and older. The packed dirt path is easy to follow and leads you right next to the Kapalua golf course until you get near the ocean, and then you turn to the actual hardened rock formations. You will have to traverse over some jagged rocks, so this is trail that is not stroller or wheelchair friendly. And remember to stay on the designated trail and not go past any of the signs that state to keep out. This is to protect the surrounding sacred burial grounds.
Dragon's Teeth, the lava and the waves that push the
To get to the Dragon's Teeth lava formation, you will head northwest from Lahaina on Highway 30 and turn left onto Office Road just past mile marker 30, and follow Office Road until it dead ends into Lower Hanawapialani Road, and then turn right and look for a small parking lot on the left. You'll pass by a few stores and restaurants, and you'll see the Ritz-Carlton Kapalua as you get closer to the area. There is a small parking lot with a limited number of parking spaces, maybe 8 to 12 parking spaces. The trail seems to be busier during the mornings and weekends. There is no entrance or parking fee, but there are also no restrooms or picnic tables at the trailhead. The trail takes about 20 minutes to complete. I would say you could spend about 30 minutes to an hour here if you take your time, look around, take some photos and videos of the beautiful area. From the coastline, there are spectacular views of Honokahua Bay, and it was awesome watching the waves crashing against the rocks. Somehow we were lucky and we were all alone in the Dragon's Teeth area for about 10 minutes, and I was able to get some really cool pictures of my son. This was our first visit to Dragon's Teeth, even though we visited Maui a few times previously. I am glad that we went and took our 7-year-old, and he really liked the short hike. Most of the field of lava is fairly flat, but there are areas where you will be climbing over lava boulders. And if you look down, you may see some turtles swimming in the water. The main attraction is the Dragon's Teeth Formation, but the views toward D.T. Fleming Beach Park and the bay are also worthwhile of this short hike. This hike, along with the PPY Trail and the Easy Trails at the Iao National Park, were my son's favorite hikes during this visit to Maui. If you are visiting Maui and you're in the Lahaina area of the island, I would definitely recommend stopping by the Dragon's Teeth to check out the view and take a few photos of the lava formation. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. See you next time.